What if the foods that could heal your body were never meant to be found in modern medicine, but were already known thousands of years ago? Long before processed food, supplements, and chemical-based treatments, people relied on simple, natural meals that nourished their bodies completely. These meals were not created in laboratories. They came directly from nature. And what's fascinating is that many of these foods are mentioned in ancient texts, where they were not just eaten for survival, but for strength, healing, and longevity. But today, something has changed. These powerful meals have slowly disappeared from our daily lives, not because they stopped working, but because modern lifestyles replaced them with faster, more addictive options. In this video, we're going to explore 7 biblical meals that were once known for their healing power, why people stopped using them, and where they are still quietly used today. Let's start with number 7, lentil stew, the lost source of strength. Lentil stew was once one of the most common and essential meals in ancient times. It may seem simple, even ordinary by today's standards, but its nutritional power is anything but basic. Lentils are packed with plant-based protein, iron, and fiber, making them incredibly effective for building strength, improving digestion, and maintaining steady energy levels throughout the day. In ancient cultures, meals like lentil stew were not just food, they were fuel. People depended on them for physical endurance and long working hours. But in today's world, this kind of slow-cooked, nutrient-dense meal has been replaced by fast food that prioritizes convenience over health. The reason is simple. Lentils take time to prepare, and modern lifestyles are built around speed. At the same time, processed foods are designed to be more addictive and instantly satisfying, even if they lack real nutrition. Despite this shift, lentils are still a core part of diets in many Middle Eastern and Mediterranean regions, where people continue to benefit from their long-term health effects without even realizing it. Number 6, honey and bread, pure energy from nature. There was a time when sweetness came from nature, not factories. Honey, often described as a gift, was one of the most valued natural foods. When combined with bread, it created a simple yet powerful meal that provided quick energy, strengthened immunity, and supported recovery. Honey is naturally rich in antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, which means it not only fuels the body but also helps protect it. In ancient times, this combination was often used to restore energy after physical effort or illness. So why did people stop using it? The answer lies in the rise of refined sugar. Modern sugar is cheaper to produce, easier to mass distribute, and far more addictive. Over time, it replaced natural sweeteners like honey, even though it lacks the same health benefits and can actually harm the body when consumed in excess. Interestingly, raw honey is still used today by athletes and health-conscious individuals who understand its value. They rely on it as a natural energy source that doesn't cause the sudden crashes associated with processed sugar. Next, number 5, grilled fish, healing from the sea. Fish has always been a vital part of traditional diets, especially in coastal regions. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation in the body. In ancient times, fish was typically prepared in simple ways, such as grilling over fire. This method preserved its nutrients and made it one of the healthiest meals available. Regular consumption of fish helped people maintain mental clarity, emotional balance, and physical well-being. However, modern cooking methods have significantly reduced its benefits. Deep frying and heavy processing have transformed a healing food into something far less healthy. Add to that the rise of fast food culture, and fish is no longer consumed in its pure, beneficial form as often as it once was. Even so, in regions that follow traditional diets, such as parts of the Mediterranean, grilled fish remains a staple. These populations are often known for their longevity and lower rates of heart disease, which says a lot about the lasting power of this simple meal. Number 4, bitter herbs. The forgotten detox bitter herbs might not sound appealing, but they played a crucial role in ancient diets. These plants were known for their ability to cleanse the body, support liver function, and improve digestion. In a time without processed foods, people still understood the importance of detoxifying the body naturally. The problem today is that modern diets have completely removed bitterness. Food is now engineered to taste sweet, salty, or artificially flavorful, making bitter foods seem unpleasant or unnecessary. But this shift has come at a cost. Without these natural detoxifiers, the body has to work harder to eliminate toxins, especially in a world where we are constantly exposed to processed foods and environmental pollutants. Despite this, bitter herbs are still widely used in herbal medicine and natural healing practices, where their benefits are well recognized. Number 3, grapes. In nature's blood support, grapes have long been valued not just for their taste, but for their powerful health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants that support blood circulation, protect the heart, and slow down aging at a cellular level. In their natural form, grapes provide clean, quick energy while also helping the body repair and protect itself. However, the modern versions of grape-based products often contain added sugars, preservatives, and chemicals that reduce or completely eliminate these benefits. Even today, natural grapes and pure grape extracts are used in traditional diets and health routines, particularly for their role in supporting cardiovascular health and maintaining youthful energy levels. Next, number 2, milk and dates. The ultimate recovery combination. Few food combinations are as perfectly balanced as milk and dates. Together, they provide a mix of protein, natural sugars, vitamins, and minerals that help the body recover quickly and efficiently. This meal was often used to restore energy after long periods without food or after physical exertion. It supports bone strength, muscle recovery, and overall vitality in a way that feels almost immediate. In today's world, however, this natural combination has been overshadowed by energy drinks and processed recovery products. These alternatives may provide a temporary boost, but they often come with artificial ingredients and long-term health consequences. Despite this, milk and dates are still widely consumed in many cultures, especially during fasting periods, because of how quickly and effectively they restore energy. And finally, number 1, olive oil and bread. The secret to long life. Olive oil has always been considered one of the most powerful natural foods. Rich in healthy fats and anti-inflammatory compounds, it supports heart health, improves skin quality, and contributes to a longer lifespan. When combined with bread, it creates a simple yet deeply nourishing meal that has stood the test of time. Unlike modern oils, which are often highly refined and stripped of their nutrients, olive oil retains its natural benefits when used properly. Today, this combination is still a daily habit in Mediterranean regions, where people are known for their longevity and overall health. It's a reminder that sometimes the simplest foods can have the greatest impact. The real reason these meals are no longer common is not because they stopped working. It's because they don't fit into the modern system of convenience and mass production. These foods are simple, natural, and require time to prepare. They cannot be easily packaged, marketed, or made addictive. In contrast, modern processed foods are designed for speed, taste stimulation, and profit. Over time, people moved away from what heals the body toward what is quick and easily available. The truth is, healing was never meant to be complicated. It was always found in simple, natural foods that worked with the body, not against it. These biblical meals are not just part of history, they are still relevant today. The only question is whether we are willing to bring them back into our lives, because sometimes the most powerful solution is also the most simple.